topic. Okay, right. So take one more examination problem. Can anybody can tell the problem number? Hello? ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ what is the problem number? Is it visible ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್? 174 174 obtain the convolution of the signals. Obtain the convolution of the signals. X of t is equal to okay, right. 1 minute. Obtain the convolution of x of t is equal to 2. X of t is equal to 2 for t lies between -2 to +2. For t lies between -2 to +2 and is equal to 0 elsewhere. 0 elsewhere. And h of t is equal to 4 for t lies between 0 to 2 and is equal to 0 otherwise. Okay, first you sketch the signal. The signal will be ranging from where to where? -2 to +2, amplitude is 2. -2 to +2, amplitude is 2. This is your x of t. H of t is ranging from where to where? 0 to 2. 0 to 2 on the time axis. This is your h of t. So what is the formula? Y of t is equal to what? Integration from -infinity to +infinity x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. That is your y of t is nothing but what? Y of t is the convolution of x of t with h of t. Okay, right. 1 minute. If at all anywhere if it blurs, please tell me. Audible ideyalla sir? Make it okay. X of tau. So amplitude is 2 here. Amplitude is 2. This amplitude is 4. X of tau. X of tau is from where to where? -2 to +2. 0 to -2. Amplitude is 2. This is your x of tau on the tau axis. H of minus tau. H of minus tau means what? Fold it. Fold this one. Fold this one. This is your h of minus tau. H of minus tau. This is t. This is t plus t minus 2. Okay, right. How many cases you can expect? Because finite unequal. 5 cases you can expect. So therefore, what is that I said? Case number 1. Case number 1. What is that? You can write it. So anything as long as this t is before -2. This amplitude is 4. This is t. This is t minus 2. Case 1. Case 1. As long as t is before -2. Before -2. So this is your t. This is your 2. T less than or equal to 2. Y of t is equal to integration from y of t is equal to 0. Sorry. Y of t is equal to 0 because no overlapping with this, right? Oh, no overlapping of the second signal with the first one. Next, what is that we have? So as long as this is t, this is t minus 2, this amplitude is 4. So now So width of the second one is 2. Therefore, it can, as long as it is moving between -2 to 0, area is goes on increasing. So therefore, case 2. Case 2 is what? T lies between -2 to 0. Y of t is equal to integration. Integration from where to where? 0 to t. 0 to t. 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 d tau, which is equal to tau between the limits 0 to t. Sorry, 8 into 8 tau in between 0 to t, which is equal to 8 t. You will get it. Is it visible up to last? Okay, okay, right. That is case number 2. Case number 3. Case 3. Okay, right. So now what is that we have? This is t. This is t minus 2. Case 3. Case 3. We have t lies between. So now it has moved up to what? 0. Now this width is 2. So when it moves up to this point, area is increasing. Now when it is moving here, overlapping, its area is constant now. So therefore, because complete area gets overlapped. So this complete area gets overlapped. Therefore, t lies between 0 to 2. Y of t is equal to expected answer is what? Width is height is 4. 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2. 16 will be the answer. Shall we check it out? So we have predicted the answer now. So answer has to be what? 16. Shall we go for that? T minus 2 to t. And what is that amplitude? Amplitude is, this is 4, no? 4 into 2 is 8 d tau, which is equal to 8 tau between the limits t minus 2 to t, which is equal to 8 into t minus t plus 2. Minus t plus t gets cancelled. As I said, the answer is 16. Okay, right? So that is the case number what? 3. Now let us move on to case number 4. So case number 4. So case 4. Case 4 is decreasing, right? So now it is going beyond 2. So this is the one. Right edge is going beyond 2. Okay, right? This is t minus 2. Amplitude is 4. Case 4. Case 4 is what? T lies between. So the width of the second one is 2. So if the second one to go out of the range of the first one, it has to move by 2 units. Therefore, 2 to 4 we can take it. So case number 4, T lies between 2 to 4. Y of t is equal to integration from where to where? This is the overlapped area, right? This side is 0. 0 into something, 0. We get t minus 2 to 2. We get it like this. T minus 2 to 2. It is decreasing. Negative slope, you will get it. T minus 2 to 2. What is that we have? 4 into 2, 8. 8 d tau. This is equal to 8 tau between the limits t minus 2 to 2. Therefore, this is equal to what? 8 into 2 minus t plus 2. Which is equal to what? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 into 8, 32 minus 8t. Oh, correct. Go for the last case. The last case is what? The answer is 0. You will get it, right? So go for the last case. The last case is like this. This is t minus 2, and this is 2. Case 5. Case 5 is what? T minus 2 is greater than or equal to 2, or t greater than or equal to 4. Y of t is equal to 0. That's it. Now you go for the summary and verification and sketching of the signal, right? Go for that. So what is that we have? We can go for writing the summary. Y of t is equal to what? Y of t is equal to, first case is what? 0 for t less than or equal to 0. Second case is what? And is equal to 8t for t lies between 0 to 2. 0 to 2, sorry, 80 for t lies between minus 2 to 0. Minus 2 to 0. Is it visible? No. Blue color? Okay, right. So I'll change it. Next, and is equal to 16. And is equal to 16 for t lies between 0 to 2. 0 to 2. And is equal to 32 minus t for t lies between 2 to 4. Okay, right. And is equal to 0 for t greater than or equal to 4. So see that cases you verify minus infinity to 0. Sorry. First case is not t less than or equal to 0 then. What is that first case? T less than or equal to 2. Sorry, here it is there. T less than or equal to 2. Not 2, minus 2. T less than or equal to. This t is before minus 2. T less than or equal to minus 2 is correct. So t less than or equal to minus 2, its value. As long as this edge is before minus 2, no overlapping, answer is 0. So t less than or equal to minus 2, y of t is what? 0. So t minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to 0, minus 2 to 0, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to infinity. So cases are correct. Minus 2, 0, minus 2. Minus 2 is, what is the value? Minus 2 you substitute here. Okay. T less than or equal to minus 2, but answer is not matching. 0 to, second case is t lies between minus 2 to 0. Okay. Here I did mistake, sorry. So what is that we have? T lies between, okay, here this is not 0, this is minus 2. Integration is from minus 2 to t. Minus 2 to t. So therefore it is minus 2 to t. This is not 0. So what is that we have? Minus 2 to t. What is that we have? 8 into what? 8 into 8. So t plus 2, which is equal to 8t plus 16. 8t plus 16. This is 8t plus 16. See that when you are verifying the answer, if it is not correct, it will not match at all. Now you check it out. Minus 2. Minus 2 it is 0. Minus 2 you substitute. Minus 16 plus 16 0. Correct. 0 its value is 16. 0 its value is 16. 2 it is 16. 2 what is that we have? So when t is equal to 2, here also there is a mistake. T is equal to 2 also it is not matching. T is equal to 2. T is equal to 2, it is 16. Here it is not 2. T is equal to 2, it is not 32. 30 you will get. That is wrong. So therefore somewhere we did mistake here in the fourth case. Case number 4. Case number 4. What is that we have? Case number 4. T lies between 2 to 4. Correct. And t minus 2 to 2, 8. So which is nothing but equal to 8 tau. So 8 into 2 minus t plus 2, 4. Okay, right. This is 32 minus 80. That is correct. Only while copying I did a mistake. Okay, now you check it out. 4. 8 into 4, 32. 32 minus 32, 0. And t is equal to 4, it is 0. So now it is correct only. Now if you want, you can sketch it. If it is complicated, don't sketch it. Okay, up to minus 2. Up to minus 2, its value is 0. Minus 2 to 0. Minus 2 to 0. Minus 2 to 0, what is that we have? Minus 2, it is 0. At 0, its value is 16. So up to that, it is positive slope increasing. And 0 to 2. 0 to 2, it is constant at 16. And 16 onwards. 16 to 4. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 2, its value is 16. 4, its value is 0. So beyond 4 up to, therefore it is decreasing. Beyond 4, it is 0. So that is your y of t. That's how we should do it. So we got the problem like this. So if at all if you are doing any mistake while verification, you should be able to correct it, right? That's how we should do the problem. This is an examination problem for 10 marks. Okay, right. Now let us go for one more problem. Okay, right. So now let us go for one more topic and then we shall move on to the problem. Step response. Okay, right. So what is this step response? As an impulse response, you know, response of a system when the input is impulse function is nothing but impulse response, we said. Similarly, when the input is step, we call it a step response. That means output of an LTI system, let us say if this is y of t, this is x of t, this is h of t, let us say. Output is nothing but equal to what? Y of t is equal to x of t convolution with h of t. And since it is commutative, y of t is equal to h of t convolution with x of t, we can write it. But when the input is equal to what? Step response. If you want to get the step response, you call it as u of t. Input, you take it as u of t. So therefore, what is that? You can write it. Y of t is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity h of tau into x of t minus tau d tau. Y of t is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity h of tau into x of t minus tau. X of t is what? U of t. U of t is replaced x of t. U of t minus tau. X of t minus tau means u of t minus tau d tau. Okay. What is this u of t minus tau? U of t minus tau is equal to what? This value is equal to 1 for t minus tau greater than or equal to 0 or t greater than or equal to tau or tau less than or equal to t and is equal to 0 elsewhere. The meaning of this one is what? Maximum value the tau can attain is what? T. So minus infinity to t you will get it. Therefore, what is that? You can write it. Y of t is equal to even though integration is there from minus infinity to plus infinity and the second signal will take the value only up to tau, maximum value is what? T, lower limit is infinity and up to that point its value is 1. So therefore minus infinity to t h of tau d tau. So this is the formula for finding the step response. But I won't use this formula. See, if they ask you general one is this one, step response. Step response is nothing but what? Just like impulse response. Impulse response is what? Response of a system and the input is impulse is nothing but what? Impulse or delta function is nothing but impulse response. Step response is nothing but what? Response of a system when the input is a step function. So that is your step response we can write. So derive an expression means we can derive this one. But while solving the problem, find that a step response means what? Automatically you take x of t is equal to u of t. Take x of t is equal to u of t and convolve it. Whatever the answer you get, that is the convolution. So no need to go for the formula itself, right? So that's how we should do it. And take the screenshot if you want, and I'll continue with the next problem. So let us go for the problem on this concept. Okay, right. Now, what is that we have? Find the step response. In one of the papers, he has given like this. Same method you follow. 175. It was asked for 4 marks. Find the step response of an LTI system. LTI system with h of t is equal to t into u of t. Find the step response of an LTI system with impulse function h of t is equal to t into u of t. That means when they say step response, when they say step response, no need to wait for the input. They won't give it. Find the step response means it's understood that x of t is equal to what? U of t, because input is a step function. So find the convolution output of it. Output of an LTI system is what? Y of t is equal to x of t convolution with h of t, which is equal to what? Integration from minus infinity to plus infinity x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. Y of t is equal to, first sketch x of h of t. H of t is equal to what? H of t. So this will give the range. This is the function starting from where? 0. At 0 its value is 0. 1 its value is, see, it is multiplied by t now. This will give the range. This is the function. At 0 its value is 0. At 1 its value is t is there. T will become 1. At 2 t will become 2 because it's multiplied by t. So therefore it is going like this. This is your, what is that? H of t. Okay, x of t is what? X of t is ranging from where to where? 0 to infinity. X of t is u of t. Step response is always x of t is u of t. Is it okay? Okay, right. Blur ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Well, 1 minute. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹುಡುಗರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೈಫೈ ಇಂದ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಅದು ಒಂದು ವೈಫೈ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? 1 minute. 1 minute. Is this clear now? Okay, right. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, right. Look here. So this is your h of t, this is your x of t. So here the amplitude is time dependent. Therefore, whenever we have this kind of thing, no, always try to keep the what is that? Whichever is dependent, no, that you keep it constant. Always shift the second one. That means one which is constant. If both of them are dependent, no problem, no other go. So otherwise the calculation will become difficult. So therefore, what I should do is keep this one constant and this is shifted, because we know that commutative property says that any one of them you can shift it. So either you can shift x of t or you can shift h of t. Now, if you want to shift x of t, the formula would be of this sort, no? Y of t is equal to, what is that? You can write it. If you want to shift the x of t, h of t convolution with x of t, we can write it. The reason is because we know that commutative x of t convolution h of t is equal to h of t convolution with x of t. Therefore, y of t is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity h of tau into x of t minus tau d tau. Okay, right. What is this h of tau? H of tau, now you go for this. Carefully should do it because whenever this is the first time we are seeing a signal with time dependent. Okay, right. Now what you should do? H of tau. H of tau is nothing but this is on the tau axis, and this is also, this is t will become tau. Wherever t is there, you replace it by t is there, replace it by tau. This is time axis. This is t. This is t. This is t. So all these t's are replaced by tau. So this is 0 to 0. Okay, right. X of tau. H of minus tau. H of minus tau is before 0. 0th value will be taken as t. Okay, this is h of minus tau. T less than 0. T less than or equal to 0. Y of t is equal to 0. Y of t is equal to 0. And next, t greater than or equal to t, this is 0. Case 2. This is case 1. Only two cases. Both of them are infinite. Therefore, we have only two cases. Case 2. T greater than or equal to 0. T greater than or equal to 0. Y of t is equal to integration from where to where? 0 to t. Integration from 0 to t. Okay, right. What is this one? 1 into tau d tau. Tau d tau, which is equal to tau square by 2 between the limits 0 to t. Therefore, y of t is equal to, what is that we have? T square by 2. That's it. Therefore, what is the summary? Y of t is equal to only two values. Its value is equal to 0 for t less than or equal to 0, and is equal to t square by 2 for t greater than or equal to 0. Cases you verify. Minus infinity to 0, 0, 0 to infinity. So minus infinity to 0, 0 to infinity, cases we correct. T is equal to 0, its value is 0. T is equal to 0, its value is 0. That's it. So now you see this. Now, what is that we have? At 0, its value is 0. At 1, its value is half. At 2 square, 4 by 2. At 2, its value is 2. At 3, its value is 3 square, 9. 3 square, 9. 9 by 2 is 4.5. Something like this. So therefore, it will be like this. It is a curved one, you will get it. So that is your y. So t is straight line. T square is parabola. That's why you are getting this kind of waveform. So this is your t sketch. Okay. So that's how we should do it whenever it is a step response is asked. Okay, right? Go for one more problem. So now onwards, time dependent problems will be doing it, right? Go for that. Let us go for the next problem. Problem number. So these are the very complicated problems. Many a times we have seen these questions in the examination. Problem number 176. given x of t is equal to 2, x of t is equal to 2 for t lies between 0 to 2. T lies between 0 to 2. And y of t is equal to 1 minus t for t lies between 0 and 1. T lies between 0 and 1. Find x of t convolution with y of t. So don't get confused with, sir, why you are doing convolution of x of t and y of t. See, he is called by the name x of t and y of t. Some other signal, whatever you are going to get, the convolved signal we call it as f of t. Okay, it is y of, don't think that y of t is always output, x of t is always input. It is one signal, this is another signal. Convolution of those two, we are doing it. So therefore, what is that? You can write it, sketch both of them. The first one is from where to where? 0 to 2. At 0 to 2, its value is 2. 0 to 2, its value is 2. Okay, right. That is your, what is that? X of t. Y of t is between where to where? 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Okay, at 0, its value is 1. At 0, when t is equal to 0. At 1, 1 minus 1, 0. That's how we should get it. And this value is 1 minus t. This is your y of t. Which one you want to shift? Whenever the time dependent is there, don't try to shift that one. Better to shift this one. So therefore, what is that? You can write it. You take let f of t is equal to some other signal you call it as. Let f of t is equal to y of t convolution with x of t. Whichever you want to shift it, that you write it second one. I want to shift this one. Why you want to shift this one? Because this is time dependent. Otherwise, it becomes very complicated. Therefore, I am shifting this one. F of t is equal to what? What is that? You can write integration from minus infinity to plus infinity y of tau into x of t minus tau d tau. Okay, right. So now what is that we have? Y of tau. Is that okay? Right. Y of tau. Zero to 1 on the tau axis. This is y of tau. This is 1 minus t is replaced by tau means y of 1 minus tau. That is 1 minus tau. You will get it here on the tau axis. Y of tau. And x of minus tau. X of minus tau means what? Fold it. 0 minus 2, amplitude is 2, x of minus tau, we got it. Okay, right. That zeroth value will be taken as what? T. Zeroth value will be taken as t. This is t minus 2. Case 1. Case 1, what is that? You can write it as long as this is t minus 2. Case 1. Case 1 is what? As long as this t less than or equal to 0, y of t is equal, sorry, f of t is equal to 0. F of t is equal to as long as this t is before 0. Okay. Next case. Now the width of this one is 2. Width of this one is this width of this one is 1. This width of this one is 2. Now you start overlapping the signal. Up till only 1 unit, it is increasing. So therefore, we go with this. Now it is like this. Up to this point only, it is increasing. This is t minus 2. Case 2. Case 2 is what? As long as t lies between 0 to 1, area goes on increasing. This area. This is from 0 to t. F of t is equal to. Now the convolved signal we called it as f of t, no? So integration from where to where? 0 to t, and amplitude is 2. Amplitude of this one is 2, and 2 into 1 minus tau. What is this one? 2 into 1 minus tau, d tau, which is equal to 2, keep it outside. Integration of 1 is tau, minus integration of tau is what? Tau square by 2. Tau square by 2 between the limits 0 to t. Upper limit is what? T minus t square by 2 minus lower limit is 0, 0. So t minus t square by 2 is the answer. Is that okay? Right. Next one. Now you see this one. Now when it is moved up to this point, what will happen? Only one out of 2 units, only one is gets overlapped. Afterwards, what will happen? Area becomes constant. So therefore, what is that? We can write it. This is t. This is t minus 2. This is t minus 2. Case 3. Okay, right. Case 3. So as long as t lies between 1 to 2, because why it is 1 to 2? Width of the second one is 2, width of the first one is 1. So therefore, up to this point, one unit is gets overlapped. If you want up to next, if one more unit, if you move one more unit, what will happen is the overlapped area remains same, constant. Therefore, because for up to one unit of this one is overlapped, one more unit is left out for the second one. So therefore, you can move up to this point. When it move up to 2, what will happen is still it is constant only. Therefore, what is that? You can write it. F of t is equal to integration from where to where. Now you see this. You will have to take the range from here. This is what? 0. This is what? 1. Only this much area is gets overlapped. Carefully you should fix the range 0 to 1. Integration from where to where? 0 to 1. What will you get? 1 minus tau. We should get the answer as 1 minus tau. So into base is 1, height is okay. Is it visible? Here is the okay done. Right? Now, so answer you should get it as what? 1. Shall we check it out? So this is nothing but where to where? 1 minus tau into 2. See, this 2 into 1 minus tau, we should write it. So 2, I'll write it here. 2 into 1 minus tau, integration from where to where? 0 to 1. cases you can expect. So finite unequal, you will get 5 cases, you will get it. So now what is that, we can write it. Next case number. Now the area is decreasing, area is decreasing. So now this is t minus 2, 0, 1. Case 4, case 4. Case 4, what is that we have? Now the area is decreasing. As long as you take the left edge, it is very easy. So therefore, what is that, you can write it? T minus 2, as long as left edge is lies between 0 and 1. T minus 2 lies between 0 and 1, or t lies between 2 and 3. F of t is equal to, area is decreasing, integration from where to where? This is the overlapped area. T minus 2 to 1. T minus 2 to 1, what will you get? Amplitude is 2. 2 into 1 minus tau d tau. 2 into 1 minus tau d tau, which is equal to 2 into tau minus tau square by 2 between the limits t minus 2 to 1, which is equal to what? F of t is equal to multiply by 2 first. 2 tau minus tau square between the limits t minus 2 to 1, which is equal to what? Upper limit 2 into 1 minus 1. So 1, no? 2 into 1 is 2. 1 square is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus lower limit. Minus lower limit is what? T minus 2 into t minus 2. 2 into t minus 2 minus t minus 2 whole square. Minus t minus 2 whole square. Or you can write it as, what is that, you can write it? 1 minus 2t. 1 minus 2t minus into minus plus 2 into 2, 4. And minus into minus plus t minus 2 whole square. This can be written as what? F of t is equal to 1 plus 4, 5 minus 2t, 5 minus 2t plus 5 minus 2t plus t minus 2 whole square. That's how we should do it. Next, the last case. The last case is what? The last case is left edge of the second signal. This is t minus 2, this is 1. Case 5. Case 5 is what? T minus 2 is greater than or equal to 1, or t greater than or equal to 3. F of t is what? 0. That is 5th case. When the left edge of the second signal is crossing the right edge of the first signal. Now you go for the summary of it and verify. F of t is equal to what? F of t is equal to what is that? 0 for t less than or equal to 0, and is equal to what? T minus t square by 2 for t lies between 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Sorry? 0 to 1. Next one is what? Is equal to 1 for t lies between 1 to 2. And third one is what? That is third one. Fourth one is what? It's equal to 5 minus 2t plus t minus 2 whole square for t lies between 2 to 3, and is equal to 0 for t greater than or equal to 3. Okay, right. Cases you verify. Minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. Therefore, cases are correct. 0, it is 0. 0, it is 0. 1, what is that, we can write it? When t is equal to 1, what is that we have? 1 minus 1 by 2. So half you will get. Somewhere we did mistake once again. For t lies between 0 to 1. Yeah, here we did mistake. It's not matching. So 2 into tau, 1 minute. 2 into multiply this one. What will you get? 2 tau minus tau square between the limits 0 to t. Its value is equal to what? 2t minus 2t minus t square. 2t minus t square. 2t minus t square, you should get it. Okay, right. Now you verify it. 2t minus t square is the answer. When t is equal to 0, it is 0. T is equal to 0, both of them are 0, it is correct. 1. When t is equal to 1 means what? 2 into 1, 2. And 1 square is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. You will get 1. When t is equal to 1, you will get 1. T is equal to 2 also, it is 1. T is equal to 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So here also it is 1. T is equal to 3. 3 means what will you get? 3 minus 2, 1. 1 square is what? 1. 1 plus 4, 5, 6 you will get it. And 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. When t is equal to 3, it is 0. It is correct. So that's how we should do it. And you can sketch the problem. What is that final answer? F of t is equal to up to 0. Up to 0, it is 0. Up to 0, it is 0. And 0 to 1. 0 at 1, what is the value? 1. At 1 to 2, its value is 1. What is this 0 to 1? 0 to 1, what is that we have? Parabola. T square is what? We have t square now, parabola. Parabola can be either top side or bottom side. So therefore, what you should do? Half the way you should take it. Half. At half the way, here it should be half. If it is less than half means below. More than half means above. So put t is equal to half here. Half means what? 2 into half. 1 you will get it. Half square. 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is what? 3 by 4. Therefore, above half. Therefore, you are going to get the curve like this. Okay, right. Between 2 to 3. Between 2 to 3. Once again, parabola, t square is there. 2 to 3. So, half the way you check it out. Half the way is what? 1.5. That is 3 by 2. Check with 3 by 2. And most of the students, what they say is, if this is this way, I mean this way, this is also parabola of this sort. No, we don't know. You will have to check it out. So, not here, 3.5. It is 2.5, 5 by 2. Check for 5 by 2. So if it is here, it is 1. Half the way it should be half. Above half means it will be this side. Below half means it will be this side. So what is that we can write it? 5 by 2 is between 2 and 3. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 2. 5 by 2 minus 2 is what? 1 by 2. Okay, right. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is what? This is 1 by 4. 5 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 5 minus 5 gets cancelled. What will you get? So t is 5 by 2 means 2 gets cancelled 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So answer is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means what? It should be below. So therefore, you are going to get this kind of curve. And afterwards it is 0. This is how we should do it. Carefully, you should practice it. If you are finding it difficult to understand this concept, you can call me or you can send me the message and where exactly you are finding it difficult. So this is how we should do the problems on this kind. So now onwards, I'm going for the complicated examination problems, right? We'll stop at this level. I'll continue in the next class.